Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with another new, and today I will introduce all of the superhero character. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Wow, look at this guy. He's a very big super character in Avengers. Looks and he's a very popular superhero character in Avengers, and his name is Spider-Man.
I'm coming! Just wait your turn, Doc! I'll be right back!
Hey, Spider-Man.
Hey!
Wow, look at this, guys. Here's a shield. It's a Captain America shield, very strongful and very colorful. Wow, super. And see, it's a star. Wow, very beautiful logo. Here's a captain. Look. Hey, Captain. You are Captain America?
Hey!
Wow, yes. He's a Captain America. Very beautiful, very nice.
My
Another superhero character in Avengers. Wow! See, guys, he's a Venom. He's a very dangerous and very angry person. Venom. Wow. He's a very cool superhero in Avengers, and his name is Iron Man. Hey, Iron Man.
Hey!
Wow, very beautiful. See, guys, this is another super character in Avengers. Wow. It's a very strong food, and he is a Black Panther. Check this Black Panther. Wow, he's a villain. Hey, villain.
Hey!
Oh, you are Thanos. He's a villain, super powerful villain, Thanos. Wow. Very dangerous, Thanos. Last one is a very big superhero in Avengers and very strong food. Super character in Avengers is a Hulk. Hey, Hulk.
Hey!
Wow. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. So please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye bye.